Okay, hello everyone. My name is Sri Gupta, member of COPS CPG Group, COPS IIT BHU. Today I am going to discuss the problem divide and multiply, which came in the code forces round, Deltics round, autumn 2021. In this problem, the problem statement is as follows. We are given an array of n integers and we have to perform a sequence of operations any number of times. So for in each operation, we have to pick two elements of the array a of I and a of j, and we have to have a of I must be a multiple of 2, and we have to set a of I is equal to a of I by 2 and a of j must be a of j into 2. So we have to find the maximal sum of the array elements after performing a sequence of operations any number of times. So, and we are given n to be 1 to 15 and a to be 1 to 16. So we can apply O of n square approach. So according to my approach is that we have to see that we are multiplying a of j by 2 each time in each operation a of j by 2. So if we fix our a of j to be for a sequence of operation, if we fix our a of j, then our sum will be maximum. So considering the first sample case, we can solve the problem. If we consider a of j's to be this and remaining to be a of i's, so for all ai's, we will remove all the power of 2 from them and correspondingly multiply to it our a of j. For example, consider this sample case where 642, assume that we consider 6 to be a of j. Now these two are a of i's. So this is 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1. So we will divide it by 2 two times and we will divide it by 2 one time. So totally we will divide the whole array by 3 times. So we have to multiply 6 by 2 3 times. So 2 to the power 3 into 6 will be a sum, and the remaining that will be left is 4 divided by 2 divided by 2, that is be 1, and 2 divided by 2 1. So we can do the same thing for all the by fixing our a of j to be 4, for a of j to be 2, and this way we can solve the problem. So code for this, first take the input, then fixing our a of j, then for all ai's that are not equal to for all ai's that is not equal to a of j, we have to do this. We have to remove all the powers of 2 from it and residue, and we have to sum the residual, and we have to count the CNT, how many times we have divided by 2. At last, we have to multiply the sum, we have to multiply our a of j with the 2 to the power CNT and add it toward the sum, and we can maintain an answer that will be -1 at the initial, and it will be answer is equal to maximum of answer comma sum, and we will print the answer. Okay, so now coming to the problem number B, William and the vigilant. In this, we are given a string S of n characters, which is consisting of only characters A, B, and C, and we have to perform Q queries on it. In each query, we are given pos, comma C, and we have to replace the position pos of the string S with character C. So basically, we have to do S of pos equal to C, and C is also A or B or C. And after each query, we have to print the minimal number of characters in the string which have to be replaced so that the string doesn't contain the string ABC as a substring. It means that we have to print the number of characters we have to replace so that our string does not contain ABC as a substring. So basically, we after each query we have to print the number of ABC as substrings. Okay, and a substring is basically a substring X is a substring of Y if it can be obtained from Y by deleting some number of characters from the beginning and some from the last end. Okay, so basically we have to do this is the input, and all A, B, C is always or also A, B or C. So considering this, now this was our input array, input string that we were given. Initially we have three ABCs as strings. So initially our count was 3. This means that initially we have to replace 3 characters in the string so that our string does not contain ABC. Now, if we replace with the same character like this one with A, so our answer will still be 3 because we have doesn't change anything. Secondly, Second case, if we have changed something, suppose if we did after this 1 with b, now we have changed something. So for this we have to see something that if initially we have replaced this with a b c, a with b, so now abc has been reduced, has been done, so our cnt will become 2 here. So we have to see that if the character that we are replacing with here, that was a, if that was forming a substring ABC, then we have to reduce CNT by 1. Third, if we suppose consider this string to be initial string BBC, and if we replace 1 with A, so it becomes ABC. Now we see that we have added a string ABC in this substring. So we have to see that after replacing the character with the character C, that was C na, this is C variable. So we have to see that if it forms a substring ABC or not. So let's see the code for this. Initially, we have calculated the number of strings ABC in the substrings ABC in the string. Now for each query, we have taken the input, and first, our first case, that was this one, no replacement. We have simply outputted the CNT. Now we have seen that the second case. Second case was that if we are replacing it with another character, that initially it was forming a string ABC or not. So we are checking that only. If s of pos was a, then s of pos plus 1 must be b or c, or other if it is b, then minus 1 should be a and plus 1 should be c, and if it was c, then minus 1 should be b and minus 2 should be a. If there is a string substring ABC initially at the character we are changing, then we have to reduce the CNT. Then the third case, we have to see that if it is forming a new substring ABC or not. So after we have to see if it is A, then the other S of pos plus 1 and S of pos plus 2 must be B and C respectively. If it is B, similarly as above. And if it exists, if it will form, then we will increase the CNT and we will output the CNT. So hope you enjoyed the video and have understood the problems A and B of the Codeforces round, Deltics round, autumn 2021. And if you like the code and the explanation for these problems, then make sure to hit a like button and make sure to subscribe the channel for more interesting upcoming videos. Thank you.